Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make an effective pink lip scrub. Yes, an effective pink lip scrub with literally just 3 ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. So do you have dry lips, do you have dark lips? Then you can definitely use this because it has been working and it's still working for me. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So for this simple scrub, you are going to need sugar. It's going to act as the exfoliant to get rid of dead skin cell on the lips. You need honey, which is a natural humectant and also a moisturizer. It can be replaced with olive oil or coconut oil. You also need lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural brightener. It will act as the brightening agent for this scrub. So you mix all three together, making enough quantity that can last you for a while. Mix it properly, and then I transferred into a smaller container. Yeah, so that's just 3 simple ingredients, and I'm going to be showing you how I use it. I presently have lip gloss on my lips, so I'm going to quickly wipe it off and then go in with the lip scrub. Yes. So this is what my lips look like without the lip gloss. I've taken it off. Now let's go in with the lip scrub. So I'll leave it on for a very little while and then rinse it off or just clean it off. Yes, and then you go in with your lip balm or Vaseline. So I'm going to be using this lip balm and just go in with that. A little goes a long way. Yes, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and drop a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.